Welcome, and thank you for taking time to learn about breastfeeding and breast pump use. Feeding your baby is a unique journey, and no two experiences are exactly the same. Some parents breastfeed directly, some pump milk, and many do a combination of both. All of these choices are normal, healthy, and valid. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the basics in a calm, supportive, and easy to follow way. You do not need prior experience to begin. Breastfeeding and pumping are learned skills, and it is completely normal to need practice, patience, and support along the way. You may feel confident one day and uncertain the next. You may have questions, concerns, or moments of doubt. These feelings are common, especially in the early weeks. What matters most is that you are showing up and caring for your baby. As you listen, take a moment to get comfortable. Sit in a relaxed position, let your shoulders drop, and take a slow, deep breath. This time is about learning, not perfection. Each small step you take builds confidence and experience. In the next sections, we will talk about breastfeeding basics, when and why to use a breast pump, how to prepare for pumping, and how to store breast milk safely. Let's begin by understanding how breastfeeding works.